2022, we moved into our 39-foot fifth wheel with our 2 dogs, Zinc and Echo, to start traveling the U.S. full-time. We are so excited to share with you the adventures that we find next. Good morning. It is day 2 of our road trip around Olympic National Park, and we slept pretty good.
We did. I think it was a combination of light rain.
Oh, that was amazing.
And the river being next to us all night.
Yeah.
The dogs did all right. They were a little squirmy at the beginning.
Yeah, they were a little fidgety. I think at one point Zink was like running in his sleep because I was rolled over and I could feel his paws like on my back, and it definitely woke me up.
So today we're going to finish the second half of our journey. We did the northern part of the park. Now we're going to be doing the southern. Fortunately, we do not have a 3.5-hour drive to get here to start the day.
No.
We've got about a 15-minute drive.
We're still on the west coast though, like we're still on the west side, and we're starting off at the Hoh National Rainforest. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I don't know. If I'm wrong, y'all could just laugh. But it looks so amazing, and it's like where all the iconic pictures are taken, so I know it's gonna be beautiful. We made it to the rainforest, and parking was actually not that bad. They let you park off on the shoulder, so we easily found a spot. And there are 3 popular trails here, and we are starting off at the Hall of Mosses.
So it's impossible to film and do these things justice, but some of these trees, yes, are over 200 feet tall. That's impressive. They say this area can get up to 14 feet of rain, hence the moss everywhere. We just finished the moss trail. I'm a big fan. But
that was awesome.
This next trail is, I always forget the names. What's the name of this one?
This is the Spruce Nature Trail.
1.25 miles. The other one to the meadows.
Yeah, so there's a 3rd trailhead here in this area, but it's an 18-mile hike round trip to Blue Glacier, which would be legit. I would love to do that, but we obviously don't have time for that today.
You probably have to overnight that one. That's a long ways. So just 2 for us.
Look at this tree root. This is crazy. Just get it.
So this is just off the trail. This is the river that passes through. And Peyton said, this is where the elk are known to be found?
Yeah, he said there's a herd of about 20, but he said they're most active early morning and like late afternoon. So,
well, it's 11:30. We're right on time.
The spot, but I mean, this is beautiful. But we did sleep on like this river last night.
It's true. We saw this all night. But it's
Listen
still
to
pretty.
it all night. But it's still beautiful.
And we missed the elk.
Bottom of the tree.
The hikes were great. But we are back to the truck because we're hungry for some lunch. We're about to get back on the road after this and hit the beach, correct? Live action, break us the news.
We are at Kalaloch Beach. We were going to go to Ruby Beach first, but it is closed because of construction.
Echo, hi.
Echo sees other dogs. But anyway, we came to Kalaloch Beach, not too far, and this behind me is what they call the Tree of Life. And it is awesome. You can't come to the ocean and not get your feet wet.
You gotta get in the water.
So the shoes are coming up.
This is our first time in the water on the West Coast on this trip. We could have stayed at the beach all day.
Yes, we reluctantly left the coast. It was so beautiful.
It was putting us in a very sleepy mood as
Oh,
well.
yeah. I kind of dozed off in the car.
Yeah, you did doze off in the car.
But anyway, we have come a little further south to the Quinault Rainforest.
It's kind of the last stop other than the lake that's right here.
Look at that. He was in my seat again. Zane. Naughty boy. Well, that was great. It was a lot like the other rainforest. This is the day of rainforest, and it's the tallest trees we've ever seen. But we're headed to our last stop, which is the lake.
Well, the end is here. It has been a fun 2 days. I know we kind of divided them up, but it's been a fun second day here at Olympic National Park.
It is so beautiful, and we're so tired, which is exactly how you want to feel after really just trying to make the best out of our time. And I think we definitely did that.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, we hit a bunch of stops. Unfortunately, the smoke set us back on a few things, and then the beach being closed. But other than that, we saw pretty much everything we wanted to see.
We still had a very full itinerary.
Yeah. We got, I don't know, maybe a 2-hour drive back, dinner. The great thing is going back to our park,
Yes.
we still have great views.
We don't dread going back because we
No.
can put back down and be looking at super blue water
Yep.
from our back porch. Thank you for coming along on this crazy road trip of ours. Like and subscribe if you enjoy following our adventures, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
See ya.
But going on